This is the Panasonic Lumix G100D, and honestly, it might be one of the most underrated cameras for beginner creators right now. Panasonic says this thing is built for vloggers and content creators who want real camera quality without carrying around a giant setup. But after spending time with it, I found something interesting. This camera is way better than its spec sheet makes it look. At the same time, it's definitely not perfect. Panasonic Lumix G100D product overview. So what exactly are we looking at here? The Panasonic Lumix G100D is Panasonic's compact mirrorless camera aimed squarely at vloggers, beginner filmmakers, travelers, and social media creators. It's essentially an updated version of the original G100, with a few quality of life improvements, like a newer OLED electronic viewfinder and USB-C charging support. And honestly, that already makes a huge difference in daily use. This camera uses a 20.3 megapixel micro four thirds sensor, shoots 4K video, has interchangeable lenses, and comes in at a size that's genuinely easy to throw into a backpack or even a jacket pocket with the right lens attached. Panasonic Lumix G100D Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? Here's the thing. This camera feels surprisingly approachable. You don't need to be a camera nerd to start getting good-looking footage out of it. I used it for casual vlogging, street photography, indoor shooting, and even some quick travel-style clips, and the image quality immediately looks cleaner and more cinematic than a smartphone, especially in good lighting. The colors coming out of Panasonic cameras have always looked natural, and the G100D keeps that trend alive. Skin tones look realistic, dynamic range is decent for the price, and the footage has that interchangeable lens depth that phones still struggle to replicate naturally. Autofocus is mostly solid. For static talking head videos or casual walking shots, it works well enough. But if you're doing fast-moving action or dramatic subject tracking, you'll notice it's not on the same level as higher-end Sony systems. That's probably the biggest limitation here. But for YouTube creators filming themselves in controlled situations, totally usable.
Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually matter in real life. First up, the flip-out touchscreen. This sounds basic, but it's absolutely essential for creators. Being able to frame yourself while recording makes solo shooting dramatically easier. Whether you're filming TikToks, YouTube intros, or travel content, this feature alone saves a ton of frustration. Then there's Panasonic's Ozo audio system. And honestly, this is one of the coolest things about the camera. It uses Nokia's Ozo directional audio tech to intelligently prioritize voices depending on where the subject is positioned. That means if you're filming yourself while walking around, the camera can focus more on your voice instead of random background noise. Is it better than a dedicated external microphone? No. But for casual creators who don't want extra gear hanging everywhere, it's genuinely useful. That's huge if you plan on growing your content over time. And finally, USB-C charging deserves a mention because it just makes life easier. You can top this thing up with a power bank while traveling, which feels modern and practical.
Design and build. Aesthetically, Panasonic nailed the compact creator vibe here. The Panasonic Lumix G100D feels lightweight without feeling cheap, and that balance is harder to achieve than you'd think. The grip is surprisingly comfortable for such a small body, and all the controls are logically placed. The button layout is beginner-friendly too. You don't feel overwhelmed by endless dials and switches, which is important if you're moving up from a phone for the first time. The flip screen feels sturdy, the EVF upgrade is noticeably sharper than the older model, and overall, this camera feels designed for real everyday use instead of just spec sheet flexing.
Battery life. Battery life is decent, but not amazing. You'll probably get through a casual shooting session just fine, but if you're recording a lot of 4K footage or traveling all day, carrying a spare battery is still a smart move. Thankfully, USB-C charging helps offset this problem quite a bit. Being able to plug into a power bank between shots makes the camera much more travel-friendly than older mirrorless systems. Pros. Great image quality for beginner creators. Interchangeable lenses give room to grow. USB-C charging finally modernizes the experience. Cons.
autofocus still trails behind Sony competitors. Battery life could be better for heavy creators. Final verdict. So, who is this camera really for? If you're a beginner YouTuber, travel vlogger, student creator, or someone upgrading from a smartphone, the Panasonic Lumix G100D makes a ton of sense. It's compact, approachable, and capable of producing genuinely impressive content without overwhelming you. And honestly, that matters more than people think. A lot of cameras in this price range try too hard to appeal to professionals. Panasonic went the opposite direction here. They made something simple, practical, and creator-focused.